Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Genius. Today's video is about pythons. Pythons are a group of large, non-venomous snakes known for their impressive size, strength, and distinctive hunting methods. Belonging to the family Pythonidae, pythons are found in diverse habitats across Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are characterized by their muscular bodies, heat-sensing pits along their jaws, and remarkable ability to constrict their prey. Pythons are ambush predators, lying in wait for suitable prey to approach, then striking quickly and coiling around their victims to suffocate them. Depending on the species, pythons can feed on a variety of animals, including small mammals, birds, and sometimes even larger creatures like deer. Some well-known species of pythons include the reticulated python, Burmese python, and African rock python. While admired for their incredible adaptations, pythons are also notorious invasive species in some regions where they have been introduced, posing threats to local ecosystems and wildlife. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which topics you would like to see next.